Hey, what's up everybody? It's Dylan with Hale Family Real Estate, standing on a cul-de-sac, the most desirable place you can be in a neighborhood. I'm about to spin around and show it to you, and I'm going to show you your new home, 1001 Tribayne Court, right here in my own Haddon Hall. Not only is this place on a fantastic private cul-de-sac, wait till you see the backyard. Come on out back, I'll show it to you. It's hitting the market in a couple days. Okay, so y'all know how much I like to do selfie videos, but this backyard is just too beautiful to pollute it with my ugly mug. Take a look at the fantastic and custom landscaping, all done by the seller here. Absolutely gorgeous. And wow, look at that play set and screen porch. Check out the custom pergola with a garden inside, storage shed as well. Now here's a look at the garden with herbs and vegetables all ready for your raised beds inside that pergola. And now a quick shot inside the screen porch, and one more time pan around this beautiful backyard. Fire pit, gorgeous lawn, screen porch, all convey.